Cuisinart DCC-3200 vs DCC-1200, which brewer truly delivers better coffee? Today we compare features, performance, design, and everyday usability. Let's start with capacity, brewing technology, and temperature control, and precise temperature control for optimal brewing. Starting with the DCC-3200, known for reliable heating and bold flavor extraction. The 14-cup blast cookware suits families and high-volume daily brewing. Its programmable LCD allows 24-hour scheduling with simple controls. Brew strain control lets you choose regular or bold extraction. Temperature remains stable, keeping coffee high without bitterness. The reusable gold tone filter reduces paper waste and long-term costs. The stainless exterior feels durable and fits most modern kitchen spaces easily. Auto shut-off and adjustable keep warm settings improve safety and flexibility. Overall, DCC-3200 delivers strong performance, capacity, and dependable daily consistency. Now let's examine the classic and reliable DCC-1200. The DCC-1200 offers a dependable 12-cup brewing capacity. Traditional heating system focuses on consistent flavor extraction. Programmable timer allows convenient morning brew automation. Simple button layout makes operation straightforward and intuitive. The heating plate keeps your coffee warm after brewing finishes. Compact footprint fits comfortably in smaller kitchen spaces. Durable build quality supports long-term daily usage. Overall, DCC-1200 delivers reliable performance with classic simplicity. DCC-3200 wins for capacity, customization, and temperature precision. Choose DCC-3200 for control, DC-12 for simplicity and value.